Stop. This might be the creamiest strawberry ice cream you'll ever see.
Try this. No way! Wow!
Wait, watch that again.
Start with fresh strawberries.
Add sugar and let the magic happen. Let it rest until juicy and sweet. Mix cream, milk, sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Add the strawberries and mix it all together. Pour into your ice cream maker and let it churn. Look at that. Creamy, smooth, perfect. Top it with fresh whipped cream. This is not just ice cream. This is summer in a bowl.
Try this. No way! Wow!
Would you try this? Comment ice cream and follow for more recipes like this.
Would you try this? Comment ice cream below and follow for more recipes like this.